Backward induction example. This is also one form of the game in which player 1 moves first. He has two strategies to choose from, either X or Y. Then player 2 comes. If he chooses Y, then player 2 comes, and then player 2 has again two strategies, A and B. If player 2 chooses B, then again player 1 comes and he has two choices, X dash and Y dash. Using backward induction, we'll start from the last sub game and then we'll move to the penultimate games until we reach to the initial decision node. So the last sub game is where player 1 is there and this player has two choices, X dash and Y dash. He has to choose between this 2 and 3 here. Of course he'll choose 3. That means he is going to choose Y dash. Okay, so he is going to choose Y dash. This one. Fine. Now you will move to the penultimate game, which is 2, which is sub game 2. Now game is sitting at this position. Player 2 is going to decide between A and B. If he picks up A, his payoffs are 11 and 1. And if he picks up B, then this game would have been played, but we've already seen that player 1 is going to play Y dash, so this is going to be there. Now player 2 has to make choice between this 1 and 2 here. So naturally he'll pick up 2, that means he'll pick up B. Now when he will pick up B, now we'll reach to the last or to the first node, that is the initial node, where player 1 is going to make a choice between X and Y. If he chooses X, his payoffs are 4-4. And depending upon the decisions we made in the last and the penultimate sub game, for Y the payoffs are going to be 3-2, like this. Now player 1 is going to make a choice between 4 and 3. Of course he'll pick up 4. It means that his strategy is going to be X. So what we have seen is that equilibrium outcome of the game is X. That is, player 1 is going to play X and player 2 is going to pick up B. So backward induction equilibrium outcome, I'll write this for you. Backward induction equilibrium outcome of the game is, for player 1 it is L and not L. Player 1 it is X and for player 2 it is B. And backward induction equilibrium strategy or equilibrium, whatever you could say, is he's going to play X and from here he was playing Y dash and player 2 is playing B. So equilibrium, backward induction equilibrium is, for player 1 is XY dash and for player 2 is B.